Are you tired of manually typing product details into every single deal? I know I was. It is such a waste of time, and honestly, it is way too easy to make mistakes. Learn how to add products in Pipedrive once and use them forever. That is the promise here. No more copying and pasting, no more pricing errors, just a clean, organized catalog that makes building deals and invoices a breeze. So here is exactly what we are going to do. I will show you where to click and what to fill in, from opening Pipedrive all the way to verifying your brand new product is ready to go. We are going to walk through every field together. All right, let us jump into Pipedrive and get started. First things first, look at the very top of your screen. See that big plus icon? Go ahead and click that. This is your shortcut to adding pretty much anything in Pipedrive. You have got options for adding a deal, a person, an organization, and the one we want right now, product. Click on Product. Now just wait a second for the Add Product window to appear. It should pop up right in the middle of your screen. And here is the really important part. This is where we build your product from the ground up. So let us start with the basics. Find the name field. This is the most obvious one, but be specific. Do not just type shirt. Type premium cotton t-shirt, navy. That clarity will save you headaches later when you are searching through hundreds of items. Type that name in. Next, find the product code field. This is optional, but I strongly recommend using it. It might be a SKU, a part number, or even just an internal code. It makes your catalog searchable in seconds. Pop that code in now. Now, the category field. Click on it, and you will see you can either select an existing category or create a new one right on the spot. If you have a lot of products, get organized early. Categorizing by type, like software, hardware, or services, makes filtering later incredibly easy. Pick the one that fits. Then we have the unit field. This is your unit of measurement. Is it sold by the piece, the hour, the pound? Enter that here. For example, each, or hour, or kilogram. It keeps everything standardized. Here is one that trips people up: billing frequency. If this is a subscription or a recurring service, select the right frequency here: monthly, yearly, quarterly. If it is a one-time sale, just leave it blank or set it to one time. Choose the option that matches your offer. Now we get to the good stuff, the money. Find the unit prices field. This is the price for a single unit. Go ahead and enter your product price, but do not just type a number. Check the currency dropdown right next to it. Make sure it is set to the correct currency, especially if you work with international clients. Nothing ruins a deal faster than an invoice showing the wrong dollar sign. And then the tax percentage. Enter your tax rate here if you need it. If you are in the US, that might be 0% depending on your business, but for many of you, this is where you add value-added tax or sales tax. Type that percentage in. All right, now before you click Save, take a breath. Review the product details. Double-check the name, the code, the price, and the tax. I have seen too many people accidentally create a product listed at $10 instead of $100. I have tested this process many times, and trust me, a quick review here saves a ton of headaches when you are closing a deal later. When everything looks good, click the Save button. And now, the satisfying part, verification. That Add Product window will close, and you should see your new product appear in your product list. We just turned your manual mess into a structured, searchable catalog. That product is now ready to be dropped into any deal, any invoice, with just a few clicks. Building a solid product library in Pipedrive is one of those small setups that pays for itself every single time you create a new deal. You are done. Happy selling!